Steven here. We're gonna change the cord on a pool pump. The existing pool cord is only 16 gauge and it should be 12 gauge. So here's the pump. Here's the cord that's attached. Here's my new cord here. If you're not sure what gauge wire you have on your pump, you simply read the side of it. So if you look close, you can see that there's words. Come on, focus camera. There you go. There's words on this cord. And right here by my thumb, it says 16 AWG. Okay. This one has the same thing. There's words on the cord here, but we don't have to do that because we can see right here on the cover, 12 gauge, 3 conductor.
Simply disconnect the old cord and remove it. Ensure you are not plugged into any power.
So we cut the head off because we don't need the female end. Then you gotta strip back the jacket. Then you tighten down the connector on the cord. Don't want to over tighten it, but enough that if you yank on it, then it's not going to come out if somebody pulls on it. Because if somebody pulls on this cord, we want it to pull right here on the clamp and not on the connections inside of the pump. Stripping this back about 1/4 inch, and then here's a trick: is when it fans out like this, if you roll it to the right, hold it with those fingers, and then braid it, and then let go, they stay nice and tight. Okay, so there you go. So we're just reconnecting this the way that the pool people had it. They had the whites with the reds to the capacitor. We got the ground to the ground terminal. Now make sure that the wires go into the wire nut. You don't want them staggered. You want them tip to tip. So they both get to the end of the wire nut together. And you close her up, and you're good to go. Work safe, stay safe. God bless.
I'm so proud to be your dad.